In this list of top 10 best series, we will share the list of 10 hidden or less known features of Windows 10 and Windows 11 that you might not be aware of. These features can help you to work more efficiently, improve your productivity, and make the most of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 experience. The best part is that you will no longer have to use 10 third-party programs with these features. The ability to open multiple tabs in the File Explorer is a useful feature in Windows 11 that allows you to easily navigate and organize your files. However, it seems that not many Windows 11 users have discovered this functionality yet. Even though it's a convenient feature to have, it's understandable that some users may not have noticed it as it's not prominently displayed in the interface. If you're not aware of this feature, we highly recommend giving it a try as it can greatly improve your productivity and make managing your files a breeze. Windows 10 users can use third-party software to enable File Explorer tabs. If your Windows desktop is cluttered and disorganized, using virtual desktops can assist in managing open windows and keeping your workspace organized by task or subject. Press Windows and Tab keys together to add a new virtual desktop. If this option is not visible in the task view, ensure that the feature is activated in Settings under System Multitasking. Click on the plus icon to create a new virtual desktop. You can open and keep files or programs on the new virtual desktop. Whenever you need to, you can switch between virtual desktops by pressing Windows and Tab keys. No need to rely on external apps or websites to add some fun emojis to your documents. By simply pressing Windows + or dot on your keyboard, you can easily access a wide variety of emojis available on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Just scroll through the menu that pops up, select the one you want, and with a click, it will be inserted into your text. So simple, yet so effective. Many Windows users may not be aware that they can take screenshots using the built-in Snip and Sketch tool, without the need for any third-party software. Snip and Sketch has been available since Windows 7 but has been enhanced and improved in both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Snip and Sketch can be easily accessed from the Start menu or launched by pressing the Windows, Shift, and S keys together. Windows 11 and Windows 10 both offer a robust backup feature akin to Mac's Time Machine. The built-in Windows 10 feature, called File History, automatically creates backups of your files on a regular basis, with a default interval of every hour. However, users have the flexibility to adjust this frequency to as short as every 10 minutes, ensuring that their important files are always protected and easily recoverable. Notifications can be a major distraction and negatively impact productivity. To take a break from notifications without using external apps, you can use the Focus Assist feature. When enabled, it will prevent any notifications from appearing on your screen. Focus Assistant allows you to tailor the feature to best fit your specific needs and workflow. With Focus Assist, you have the flexibility to either schedule it to turn on automatically at certain times or selectively choose which notifications you receive while it is active. If you're looking for an easy way to capture all the action on your computer screen, you're in luck. Windows 10 and Windows 11 come with a built-in screen recorder. No need to download any extra software. Whether you want to capture a tutorial, record a video call, or save your latest gaming session, the Xbox Game Bar has you covered. One thing to keep in mind when using the built-in screen recorder on Windows 10 and Windows 11 is that the Xbox Game Bar may not function optimally on older devices. You can launch the Xbox Game Bar by pressing Windows and G keys together. Windows 11 and Windows 10 offer a powerful and convenient built-in utility that makes data entry work a breeze. The Clipboard History utility is a game changer for anyone who frequently copies and pastes text or other data. This utility allows you to store multiple items on your clipboard and easily access them later, making it much easier to switch between different pieces of data. It's a real time saver and can help you work more efficiently. If you're a data entry worker, or if you find yourself doing a lot of copy and paste work, then the Clipboard History utility is a must-have tool. Give it a try and see how it can improve your workflow. To access or make the Clipboard History visible, press Windows and V keys together. Turn it on when you need it. Although the Malicious Software Removal Tool (MRT) has been around since 2005, it seems that many Windows users are not aware of its existence. Malicious Software Removal Tool is a free and powerful tool that helps to protect your computer from malware and other malicious software. It scans your computer for known malware and removes any that it finds. It's a built-in feature of Windows and is updated regularly to provide the latest protection against new threats. Windows 11 has a built-in app called Nightlight that can be extremely useful for those who spend a lot of time reading text content on their PC or work late at night. Nightlight adjusts the color temperature of your display to reduce the amount of blue light emitted, which can be harsh on your eyes. This can help to reduce eye strain and make it easier to fall asleep after a long night of work. Nightlight can be scheduled to turn on automatically at a specific time, or you can manually turn it on and adjust the color temperature to your preference. It's a great feature to have and can make a big difference in how your eyes feel after a long day of work. It may not be ideal for movie watchers and gamers. Nightlight adjusts the color temperature of the display to reduce the amount of blue light emitted, which can make the colors of the movie appear less vibrant and accurate. This can be especially noticeable when watching movies with a lot of dark scenes, as the colors may appear more muted and less detailed. We hope that this list will prove both informative and valuable to you. While we've highlighted some of the most useful features here, there are many more that we plan to share in future lists. Your input is valuable to us, so please feel free to leave comments with your favorite features, any lesser-known options you've discovered, and any questions, feedback, or suggestions you may have.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.